Hello.
Can I get the free puppies?
Free puppies. Everybody wants a free puppy, huh? We're doing 2 ounces of arete. So basically, free puppies is a spicy paloma, just a riff on a paloma. Some jalapeno syrup that we make here. Just jalapenos, some cane sugar, and some water. And we blend it up. And then just some lime juice to balance out the sweetness. And then we're just gonna do like a spicy salt on the rim of the glass. I'm just gonna top it off with some grapefruit soda. The finest only. And some crushed ice.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's really good. Okay.
The Sunad is a variation of a drink called the Missionary's Downfall. It's blended with rum, pineapple, mint, and then also mango White Claw, because it's how we like to do things here. Cut the top off. Got the pineapple corer here.
That sounds so juicy.
Super juicy. So, yeah, this one's just a blended drink. Throw a few pineapples in. A little bit of mint. And then this is just the cane syrup, which is just 2 parts cane sugar to water. We do an ounce of lemon juice. Some rum. And then apricot before. Now we gotta dig in that fridge and find our star of the show, which is the mango White Claw. You always gotta taste it first, right?
Does that taste right?
It tastes right.
How popular is this order?
If there's a lot of people here and once it sells to one person, everyone's gonna get it because, yeah, they just gotta see it and then they'll get it. Just a little bit of mint and then dehydrated pineapples. And that's the Sunad.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh wow, that's really fresh tasting. You gotta try it.